Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so blessed. I have Happy Mail from Alexandra at Creative 404. I'm very excited, and I'm using Happy Mail to open it. Thank you, Lissa. Alrighty, let's get this box open. From Creative 404. If you have not seen Alexandra's channel, she has several types of dolls. She has been doing a lot of box openings on LOLs, OMGs, and Rainbow High dolls. And I suspect she will start sewing for them. Alexandra makes her own patterns, shares a tutorial, and also offers a lot of the patterns free on her channel. We'll have a link to her channel below. It's wrapped. Let's open this up. Aren't these cute? This is her channel logo, and she made stickers. She makes stickers. She's opening a shop in July where she is going to sell fabrics and stickers and doll clothes and all kinds of stuff. Glasses. Hello, Marta. Thank you so much for the content you bring to YouTube. I love to watch everything you post. Oh, you're so kind. To show my appreciation, I am sending you this Happy Mail. In it, you'll find clothes that I have sewed over the last year. If you watch her channel, or if you have seen the collabs that we have done, Alexandra is a seamstress. She doesn't just sew, she's an actual seamstress. She does beautiful work. I was lucky enough to get an outfit from her and some other items at Easter. And you find some clothes I've sewed over the last years. Some of it was featured in my sewing tutorials. Oh, how cool is that? I figured you would enjoy them. Of course I would. Also, I included my latest sticker sheets to show off my latest work. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am very excited. The problem we're having is our natural sunlight is going in and out of the clothes. So if the color is changing in the video...
In and out of the clouds.
What did I say?
Clothes.
In and out of the clouds. Clothes are on my mind. Let's open this Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail. Who doesn't? I'm betting she made her envelopes. She's just Creative 404. She's very creative. Oh, wow, this is really cute. Working on that doll fund. Oh, how cute. There are... Alexandra just had a video I was watching on, she is part Japanese, 1/8, I think she said. And she grew up on her grandmother's, in her grandmother's culture, brought into her life. And so she did kind of an homage to her and a show that her grandmother showed her. She also did the graphic artwork based on her grandmother's heritage, Japanese. She did those herself. Look at these stickers. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Springtime planning, doll fund, Barbie. Be humble, hustle hard, smile more. Oh my goodness, we all need that. I love the colors. Gamer for life. Zelda, shut up and listen. Oh, shut up, Darren. I don't want to hear it. That's what Darren should say to me sometimes. He kind of does, but he says it really nice. Touch the sky. Look at the kitty. Oh, how cute. I have a Yorkshire Terrier over here that's trying to tell me something. The babe with the power. Aren't these the coolest? Oh, I really like this one. Sailor Moon, Moon Power. Oh, I really like these. I would say this one is my favorite. These are really cool, Alexandra. Again, she does all of her own graphic graphic art, all of it. She's very talented. I do not have art talent, so art talent is something I really appreciate. Let's see what we have in this package. Oh, wow. She just made this dress. I just watched her make this dress the other day. It is absolutely adorable. Well, all of her stuff is adorable. Like I said, I really am blessed to have a lot of good dolly friends on YouTube, and they are very, oh wow, look at this, a whole series here. Woohoo! Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't even know if you can see the detail. I can't do this kind of stuff. I do not have the ability, and the older I get, the more my hands are like bear paws instead of useful items. Look, I'm going to turn this backwards first. Look at the meticulous work and tiny work in this top. Isn't that adorable? Just adorable. There are 2 lines, seams going down these tiny sleeves. That's very impressive. I sew and I could not do this. I mean, flat out, I could not do this. Amazing work, Alexandra. Amazing work. I'm set that right there. This is what I wanted to see because I just watched her make this. She is offering the pattern. She took that basic top pattern and changed it up. This fabric is absolutely amazing. Can you see the tiny rainbows? The little bitty scallop of lace under that. Look how nice that's made. Oh, just gorgeous. And that pop of lace, look how she has her stitching on either side of that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'm telling you, Alexandra makes quality clothes. Like I said, Alexandra is going to have a shop. Oh, look what I found. In July. And I believe it's an Etsy shop. If you go to her channel, you can get more information. Look at this. There are 2 of these little tops. This one has the bow. And it has the ribbon sleeves. But look at the work. Look at that work. Absolutely incredible. I have bear paws. I could not do this anymore. There was a time, but not anymore. I remember when I was younger and I would hear old ladies say, oh, I just can't do that anymore. And I'd be like, what do you mean you can't do that anymore? It's not a big deal. Oh, it is. These clothes are absolutely fantastic. Look at this summer dress. Oh, that is so cute. Now what we have here, it's a little different pattern, but isn't that adorable? Just adorable. I love this eyelet lace for skirts. It's just adorable. Absolutely. The work on these. Oh. Alexandra, I am in awe. Not only that you would send this, but the work involved. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'll bet this is for, looking at the size of the hood, I'm going to bet that's for, I don't know, adorable. Just look at this, guys. Watch this. A real tiny zipper. Look at that. Look at the work inside. Oh my. Her Etsy shop is going to do fantastic. Look at that tiny, see, my hands are so much like bear paws now. I can barely zip that up. Isn't that the cutest? Just adorable. Working pockets, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. This little t-shirt even has the neck sewn around. If you sew, then you know how hard that is to turn that under and make a scoop or a circle or an oblong stitch. And she's got that all cut and sewn beautifully. Same with the sleeves. This work is exquisite. Look at this. These are the cutest. I love this fabric. How cute is that? Look at these little tiny buttons. This is a little set, which, oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Look at the cut of this skirt. She's got the darts in, 4 darts. Oh, that is remarkable. Just remarkable. And, oh God, this is so cute. My lucky dolls. I know I'm taking a long time to show this, but I'm telling you, if you saw this work, you would be amazed too. Look at that. Again, tiny darts. And the darts on these size dolls, I know, I do them, are not easy, and they're not easy to line up, and she has everyone lined up. Can you see that fabric? It's really beautiful. It's got like a glittery look to it. How cute is that? Oh, summer fun outfits. And then this, I just can't get over the work in that. I always use Beth Ramsden as a benchmark. And boy, Alexandra, you're there with Beth. Just incredible work. These pants are so cute, and I'm going to show you again. Can you see those itty bitty darts? And she's got, again, 4, and then her little snap. Oh, these are fantastic. Here's some more shirts. Another beautiful little t-shirt. Oh, look at this. Matching socks. How cute is that? You know, I seem to remember, I've watched a lot of Alexandra's videos, and I seem to remember her making these socks. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Oh, I love it. Look at this little t-shirt. Oh. I would not be surprised if Alexandra did not make the graphics and the applique for this t-shirt. You have to find out on her channel. Again, it'll be listed below. Is that beautiful? Just beautiful work. Oh, I love that bunny. So cute. Now, I saved this for last. As I glanced over everything, I saved this. I should have saved this for last too. Look at these overalls. Oh, I don't know where to start. They are lightweight. They have jean stitching on this itty bitty. Look at that. Can you see how deep that pocket is? The belt loops, so cute. Look at this. These are like carpenter overalls, and carpenters have those carpenter pencils, and that's what this pocket is for. She's got a double stitch at the top, and she's got it knotted just like the carpenters do, so that pencil, because they use it so frequently, my dad was a contractor, pull that pencil in and out, in and out, in and out, so it was stitched real tight right there. That's just the front. Look at the back. Look at how well this bib is made. Look at the 3, so she's got 5 belt loops on there. I don't know that I could do one. And no, I'm not kidding. I don't have the pliability in my hands anymore. I just don't. Look at these belt loops. Look at this stitching and these tiny bib, what do we call these? Attachments. Is that incredible? Alexandra, I don't even know what to say, because thank you is just not enough. I mean, I cannot get over, oh, they're beautiful. I mean, top notch items, just top shelf. They're absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. I was good at the stickers, but this, oh my goodness. Aren't these outfits adorable? I have 7 dolls dressed with the opportunity to mix and match. I wouldn't even be able to count the ways right now. Adorable. Thank you so much, Alexandra. These are fantastic. They're so cute. My dolls just look so cute in their high-end clothes. We have, I said before, Alexandra's link to her channel in our description. Pop over to her channel and take a look. I think you're going to be pleased. Like I said, she gives free patterns. One thing I will ask, if you take her patterns, it's just a nice thing to do. Subscribe and give her a thank you in her comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.